We are in Akihabara, the video game and anime capital of the world. I come here once a year. Every time I come, मैं ऐसे पूरा budget उड़ा के video games और Pokemon cards लेता हूँ. You also get other stuff here like figurines and adult comic books, जिसमें मुझे घुसना नहीं है. But चलो, and we'll also probably do some anime themed magic tricks with anyone who wants to be a part of the video. यहाँ पे देखो काफी vintage games है. This is a NES. Oh fuck, क्या है? OG NES है. Famicom है, Japanese name है NES का. And just look at these cartridges, dude. Look at the history. Honestly, the most underrated part of Akihabara by far has to be the kind of retro games that are available. And retro games के बारे में बात करते हुए, we're going to go to Super Potato next. Super Potato is probably the most famous retro game shop in the world, and certainly in Akihabara, which also means कि दुनिया का सबसे famous रहेगा. तो वो check out करते हैं. And honestly, मुझे figurines लेने तो नहीं थे, because I think it's like already Pokemon cards, sneakers में घुसा हूँ मैं. Figurines is one more thing to spend money on. However, I think room के लिए एक या दो figurines तो ले सकते हैं, just to like make the magic space nicer and all that frame में. Is what I'm telling myself. I'll probably just buy it because I have no self-control. But yeah, figurines I think I'll take a call later. But अभी तो retro game consoles देख के आते हैं. Let's go check out the best retro gaming store in the world. Sealed. कितने अच्छी बात है क्या? प्राइस देखो जरा. एक सेकंड. 11,000 रुपए का गेम है वो. Dude, some of these are like smart है. ओह इसके अंदर गेम नहीं है ऑफ कोर्स, बट मैन यू नो आई वुड बाय दीज, बट दे लाइक वो टाइम पे द कार्ट्रिजेस ओनली हैड द स्पेसिफिक लैंग्वेज का गेम. लाइक अभी इफ यू बाय स्विच गेम इट हैज ऑल द लैंग्वेजेस, सो यू कैन बाय अ गेम फ्रॉम जापान एंड प्ले इट इन अनदर कंसोल. यहाँ पे जापानीज ही होगा गेम इफ आई बाय दिस. सो ऐसे फॉर कलेक्शन पर्पसेस सही है, बट आई वुडंट बी एबल टू एक्चुअली. You know, Pokemon Silver along with Fire Red and all of my first games. सब साथ में रहते हैं. Look at these my games lose my cartridge. I can't tell you this enough. If you played games for the last 15 years, then some of these. एक तो पहला तो Nintendo DS को as a retro console देख के पागल हो रहा हूँ मैं. Game Boy तक ठीक है. तो I'm glad कि they don't have DS stuff here, but I'm not ready to call the DS a retro console. I'm too young for that. Let's look at some more games. Chrono Trigger. This is one of the greatest games of all time. If you never played this, please play this game. Its music unbelievable है. So is Final Fantasy 6. This is insane. सुमासे. Let's check out the ऊपर का floor. This was I think NES games. I think ऊपर PlayStation है. So one more problem I'm facing in Akihabara is there is adult content everywhere. Just randomly you'll walk somewhere and there'll be like a naked anime girl. And like naked as in naked like पूरा drawing है. तो ध्यान देना पड़ता है गलती से कहीं demonetize ना हो जाओ. Okay. PlayStation का floor. Why is there a Goomba here? ये तो ड्रैगन क्वेस्ट का मैस्कॉट है. Why is there a Goomba here? Oh, there's a Game Boy also. PlayStation games. PS1. My uncle had gifted me a PS1 in 2002. I think 2001. 2000 and 2001. ये तो PS3 है. मस्त गेम है. Persona 4 Ultimax. What else? OG accessories. देखो भाई. बैटरी PSP का. They have Mario also. I guess it's not just PlayStation. अमीबोस भी है फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन, ये तो काफी रिसेंट है। क्रैश बैंडिकूट, unofficial mascot of PlayStation, which PlayStation themselves don't own. Gosh, spoke too soon. DS games आ गए। अरे Black 2 कितने का है? Dude, some of these Pokemon games are insanely expensive now. देखो 8,000 येन, मतलब ये 4,000 का यूज्ड गेम है। Probably more than that. All Japanese. Again, like even if I wanted to खरीद का मतलब नहीं, I wouldn't be able to play them. Oh, Diamond. Oh, is it new? No, it's used. बहुत पसंद है मुझे गेम है। We got these games. मैं जब when I was like in 6th standard, we were leaving America. So my dad got these games. They released in 2007, if I'm not wrong, March. My dates are a little iffy. So my dad got Pokemon Diamond and Pearl both for me while we were like preparing to go to India. So those are the last games I actually got in US. उसके बाद मेरे को भीख मांग के import करना पड़ा कैसे करके। First world problem है, मैं बस लाइफ का बात बता रहा हूँ। Okay, see more games. तो 3DS पे आगे नहीं DS ही है। तो DS वाला केस येलो था। In the English versions, the case is black for Mario Bros. Great game. Phantom Hourglass. ये पता नहीं है। Let's go check out the top floor now. मेरा आराम से एक बार वॉक अराउंड भी करूँगा मैं टॉप फ्लोर जाने के बाद। Oh, these are like old accessories for gaming, fighting games. Star Fox. Oh, so these are not for sale. These are like this is a more exclusive collection. The Game Boy. I don't even know how much this would cost. It's a sealed Game Boy Color. English है। भगवान जाने। My guess is that would cost like 10 to 12 lakhs at least. Probably more. ऊपर क्या है? I hope it's not anything I can't show on camera. I've come here before. I just don't remember कि क्या है ऊपर। Oh, it's an arcade. A life-size Mario. खाना है उधर। And it's a retro arcade. Okay, this is really cool. Solid Snake. Okay guys, I know ज़्यादा in depth नहीं था, but I hope you enjoyed the tour of Super Potato. मैं अब जाके थोड़े retro game accessories कुछ तो खरीदूंगा। I don't know what I can buy here. So whatever I can, if I find some retro English games, I'm thinking they might have, I'll buy a couple of those, and then I'm going to go hunt for Pokemon cards. So I'll see you in some time. We're going to try and win that Bowser for content, and not because I have a gambling problem. Super Potato के बाद I went and checked out a bunch of Pokemon card shops, did some shopping around Akihabara, and then we decided it was time to shoot some magic tricks with an anime theme because, well, we were in the anime and gaming capital of the world. So you have an anime character in your mind, right? Think about the character, think about the gender of the character. It's a human character, that means basically, right? Think about, it's a male character. Okay, think about the show. You've seen it, you've seen a couple of seasons, you've not finished the whole thing, right?
No.
It's just a few seasons?
Yeah, only the first one, I think.
Okay, main character. Are you thinking of My Hero Academia? Are you thinking of Izuku Midoriya? So right now we're in a tourist shop for Akihabara. Such amazing products, cultural, Japan ke. A slice of Japan. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what Akihabara was actually like several years ago. देखो ये पूरा anime वाला area है. आगे जाओगे ना अगर तो you have your entire anime area. But this is what OG Akihabara was. It was just retro electronics till where you could see. And ये है उसके अंदर के remnants in electronic seat. city. Sorry. Just look at this. All super retro tech. And obviously anime figurines hai. Just super retro tech. थोड़े figurines अभी भी है इधर. Oh, that's not bad. बताओ यार. I don't know what most of this stuff is for. And of course, Pokemon cards इधर भी मिलेंगे. But and then you go out there and again it's more anime. So this is what OG Akihabara was actually like. ऐसे बहुत और shops है इधर उधर, but now it's been obviously taken over by anime mostly. And we're out to the main Akihabara. थोड़ा और घूमने के बाद we went back to the hotel after night hit. And then the next few days I just spent exploring Tokyo and other parts of Japan. But I wanted to come back to Akihabara one last time before I left the country because, well, थोड़े anime figurines भी खरीदने थे. Okay, so it's my last day in Tokyo today for this trip. And वापस आ गए हम लोग to the Mecca of anime and gaming. We're back in Akihabara. And देखो Pokemon cards जो जितने कलेक्ट करने थे कर लिए मैंने. I did some magic tricks. It was a fun time. The last time I was here a couple of days ago. लेकिन हफ्ता हो गया आके last. No, I came yesterday morning day before yesterday morning for a bit. But ऐसा proper घूम के मेरे को टाइम हो गया है. It's been like a week or 10 days. तो today मेरा एक बहुत ही singular goal है. मेरे को थोड़े anime merch वाले items लेके आने के as gifts for friends. But most importantly, I decided to buy either a Shenron, Rayquaza or Lugia figurine for like my setup घर पे gaming setup के पीछे या तो फिर when I'm doing magic videos तो backdrop के लिए just like a nice cool figurine. मेरे को figurines में घुसना नहीं है because तो rent पे रहते तो you shouldn't be having fucking 20-30 plastic figures of this size. Cards are much easier to transport. Also I personally enjoy collecting cards more, but like figurines giant money sink and I have enough of those. However, I think घर में एक या दो issue नहीं होने चाहिए if I can keep it in control. So yeah, I'm going to search for a Shenron or Rayquaza figurine today. Let's see मिलता है क्या. ये भी बहुत बढ़िया फिगरीन है ज़ेल्डा का. I really like this. Tears of the Kingdom का one of my favorite games of all time. So अगर Shenron नहीं मिला ये तो ले ही सकते हैं हम लोग. बहुत से लगे यार रूम में. Found an amazing red Shenron. This is from Dragon Ball GT. इसका नाम क्या रहता है रे? Dark Shenron, Omega Shenron. Omega Shenron तो ही रहता है. Well, whatever, Dark Star Dragon Ball Shenron. But look at the price. Oof, this is a fucking sick figurine, but यार ये अगर ग्रीन में मिल गया ना 15,000 येन के आसपास में मज़ा आ जाएगा. Look at how this is just sick. Guys, as you know, I'm quite addicted to crane games. But यहाँ पे तो ये करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. But have you ever 100%ed a crane game? I don't even like these. I don't know what they are, but एक जीत गया मैं, so I was like चल पूरा क्लियर कर दे. What do I do with these now? Guys, हम लोग शुरू गया करके एक used figurine store में आए. You get cards here as well, and I haven't been able to find Shenron anywhere. And यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही बड़ा bigger than I was expecting piece मिला है, which I don't know how we're going to fit this into the luggage, but let's just take a look at that. वो Shenron महंगा तो है, बट उसके साथ साथ बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा भी है. वो फिट ही नहीं होगा, सूटकेस में भी फिट नहीं होगा और फ्लाइट में मेरे को लोग अलग से बैग में लेके जाने देंगे नहीं. आई नीड टू फाइंड समथिंग अबाउट लाइक अ मीडियम साइज सो दैट आई कैन एक्चुअली ब्रिंग इट विद मी. सो अभी हम लोग को थोड़ा पिवट करना पड़ेगा. मेरे को ऐसा तो मिल नहीं रहा है. Shenron भी मिल रहा है तो बहुत बड़ा मिला है. सो मे बी वी कैन लुक एट कुरामा देख सकते हैं. नारुतो, दैट्स अ गुड ऑप्शन. बेसिकली मेरे को ह्यूमनॉइड नहीं चाहिए. जो भी चाहिए ऐसा कुछ तो कैरेक्टर टाइप चाहिए मेरे को. या तो अगर छोटा पोरुंगा या कुछ मिल गया तो वो भी ऑप्शन है. लेट्स जस्ट चेक. Even after searching so many shops, I wasn't able to find a single Shenron figurine that could fit in my bag and came at a decent price range.
एंड रेक्वासा का तो किधर फिगरीन देखा ही नहीं था मैंने. एंड जस्ट एज आई वाज अबाउट टू लूज होप आई डिसाइडेड कि अकिहाबारा छोड़ने से पहले लेट मी चेक आउट डॉन कियोटी, which is a series of shops all around Tokyo, but the Akihabara branch specifically also sells video games and figurines. Hey guys, so I'm in Don Quixote, which तुम्हें तो पता है 24/7 जो रहता है. Akihabara Don Quixote में toys भी है, because of course है, and it's 24/7. And I wasn't able to find good figurines. Like actually I was able to find some good figurines, but जो मेरे को dragon type figurines चाहिए थे ना, Rayquaza, Shenron, मेरे को Shenron या तो इतने छोटे मिल रहे थे या तो getting giant ones that wouldn't fit in the bag. So I had given up and I thought ये video तो bust है. Then last minute, because my flight is tomorrow early morning, I thought ये तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा कुछ अभी. Last minute, Don Quixote comes in clutch with Pokemon figurines. And guess what's here? Rayquaza. तो मैं अब सोच रहा हूँ कि I'll probably get Rayquaza, Kyogre and Groudon and have them behind my setup, 3 facing each other. ऐसे कुछ तो crazy करूँगा मैं. So let's just go get that. And once I'm back at home, I'll show you what the setup is looking like.
Okay, we're back in India. We're in my studio right now, जहाँ पे मैं सब मेरे magic videos shoot करता हूँ. And let's just go through a couple of anime-related things I got. ठीक है, from Akihabara. ये तो है अपना Rayquaza, Kyogre, Groudon. I'm going to unbox them and keep them there on my backdrop. I'll show you guys where, but I think it will add value there. We also got a bunch of stickers, both anime and Pokemon. Goku, Nezuko, Charizard, couple of Pokemon ones. Shenron का sticker मिल गया. Ichigo from Bleach, Luffy, One Piece, more Minato, Itachi, Gohan Super Saiyan 2, High School वाला Gojo, Cynthia Red and Blue from Pokemon. बहुत सारे capsules भी लिए. ये वाला बहुत सही है. So this Doraemon, इसके अंदर इसका बाकी body parts है. When you unlock it, open it, and then it builds up into like a full little figurine. Got a couple of files. Zelda का file लिया एक, and ये Pokemon का है. Got a Pokemon gacha thing as well. इसके अंदर Heracross है I think. And just every time I go to Japan, just out of tradition, I buy one copy of Shonen Jump. मैं actually Japanese पढ़ तो नहीं सकता. I can speak a little, but I can't read it. But I still collect. यहाँ पे as you can see in my bookshelf, I have some Shonen Jump from my previous trips. And yeah, I'm just going to unbox these and show you. But before we get to that, I just want to announce a quick giveaway. मैं हमेशा मेरे videos में end में ही giveaway announce करता हूँ. Because I'm not trying to get engagement. I genuinely want to give something to people who watch the videos. Which is why I never plug these giveaways at the start. But इन चीज़ों में से like a couple of stickers, एक या दो capsules, we have some interesting stuff here. They're all anime related stuff. Like ये देखो Attack on Titan Mikasa. So we'll come up with a goodie bag combined with a few of these things, and we will give it away to one person in the comments. Just tell me कि तुमने जो भी चीज़ें देखी आज के वीडियो में, the retro games, the anime figurines and stuff. If you could only buy one thing, what is the one thing you would buy? Just tell me that and write your Instagram ID. And in a few weeks, I will pick my favorite comments and उनमें से एक randomizer डाल के we will pick one lucky winner and I'll get in touch with you on Insta. So yes, just let me know. Not from these things, but from the overall bigger video, जो भी तुमने देखा Akihabara में, what is the one thing you would have bought, which even if I didn't buy, it's okay. And yeah, I will now unbox these and show you what it's looking like in the backdrop. Okay, yeah guys, so this is what it's looking like unbox करने के बाद. काफी सही. I used like a transparent plastic slab over there to increase Rayquaza का height and recreated the Pokemon Emerald का fight. And बाकी तो display मेरा, I think you've seen my other magic videos. Here we have the Mario Kart ka thing I won in the crane game, Bowser. But yes, thank you for watching. Be sure to comment with your Instagram ID to participate in the giveaway. And I will see you next time. I'm actually, funny enough, I'm going back to Japan in another week from this video being published. So I'll be shooting a bunch of videos there as well. अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई दूसरे ideas है for what I should shoot this trip, let me know in the comments. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much.